Today's video is regarding how to use the Wi-Fi Direct of any HP printer. Now it depends if your printer supports the Wi-Fi, and for that you need to see if printer has this icon available. That means it supports the Wi-Fi, and this means like you can use the printer's Wi-Fi network to connect it with your mobile and other devices. Then we simply need to press it once, as I can show you. Now you will see this light has started to blink. You do it. Now we go on our mobile device, and now we will open the Wi-Fi network. On your mobile device we actually go and open the Wi-Fi network. Now here we look for the name of our printer. You will see it says HP DexJet 370 series, so we just click on that. When you are connecting with the Wi-Fi, if it is asked for a password, just simply enter the password 12345678. So open any document, and I'll show you here. Now we go for the print option. Now when we go for print, you will see a screen, and this will come when you use HP Smart app. So install HP Smart app first, and here look for the printer. You will see HP 777 HP 3700 series printer, and you will see all the details have come here. Now we can press print, and it will send a command to the printer, and we can load paper for the printing. So you will see it has started to print now. So I'm just cancelling the print because I don't want to print anymore, but I'll show you here. You will see that all the printing has started to come here. So that's simple way, and it's easy to use. Thanks for watching.